Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain the module number 4. The concept in this module, criminal aspect in cyber law. Lecture number 23. In previous lecture we discussed about intellectual property and evidence in cyber crime. So today our session outline and agenda. What are the laws which is related to the criminal aspect? So we can say that crime is an unlawful act that is forbidden or punishable by the law. It is act that could be harmful to individual, community and society or the states. It is same thing will be true when it will be happen with the technology, and that is called as cyber crime. To combat against the cyber crime, India enacted the Information Technology Act 2000, which is amended various existing law which is related to the crime in India. So we can see one by one. So first one is the Indian Penal Code. The Indian Penal Code, which is draft in 1860, is an official criminal code of India. It provides a general penal code for India and is applicable throughout the India. It contains 23 chapters and 511 sections. The Information Technology Act has made several changes in amended status to the Indian Penal Code. Due to this, cybercrime cases in India are also registered under IPC section. So different sections will be covered in Indian Penal Code. We can see in tabular format. So for example, the crime is by or against to the public servant. The sections are to be 167, 172, 173 and 175 under IPC. For example, if we produce a false electronic devices, it is a crime, it is a cyber crime, and it is under section 193. If he or she destruct any electronic evidence, then it is also crime under 240 and 477. Then forgery, it is also crime or offences under IPC section 1463 to 477A. Criminal breach trust, it is also crime 40 to 409 under section. Counterfeiting property mark, that is also a crime, that is under IPC 482, 485. So these tables give the brief introduction of IPC which is related to the various cases in cybercrime. Section 29A, which defines related to the electronics record. This is the most important amendment of Indian Penal Code, Information Technology Act is the substitution word document and word document electronics records. This is broadly many cybercrime directly under the scope of IPC. So what is meant by electronics records? So we can define electronics records means data, record or data generated or images or sound stored or received or sent in electronic form or microfilm or computer generated microfiche. That is called as your electronics record. Next, section 463, which is related to the cybercrime forgery. Forgery means making of any false documents or false electronics records or part of the document or electronics records. According to this section, a person commits to forgery if he or she intentionally makes a false document or false electronic records or part of a document or electronic record, either cause or damage or injury to public or any person, or to support any claim or title to clause to any person or to part with the property, to enter into any express or imply a contract. So best example, false documents, we making a false PAN card, fake credit cards, all these things under the forgery. Note, whoever makes any false document or part of the document with the intent to cause the damage or injury to the public and any person, or to support any claim, the title, or to cause any person or to part with the property, or we can say that to enter into any express or implied the contract with the intent commits fraud. The fraud may be committed to commits for the forgery. So when these things are happen, we can say that this is a forgery, and this is under section IPC 463. Then section 464, making a false document. A person is said to be make a document or false electronics record if happens only in three ways: dishonesty or fraudulently makes a signs and seals, execute a document or part of a document. Second thing, that makes or transmit any electronics record or part of the electronics record, or maybe can say that the affix any electronic signature, makes any mark denoting the execution of document or authenticity of electronic signature with the intention of causing to be believed authentic. A person is said to be make false document first who is dishonesty and fraudulently makes a sign, seal, execute a documents or part of the documents, or makes any denoting execution document with the intention of causing to be believed that such document or part of the document was made, signed, sealed or executed by the authority of a person whom or whose authority is known, that is, it was not made by the signed, sealed or executed, or at the time he know that it was made, signed or sealed particularly. So mainly here fake documents are provided with the make, sign, seals, or will be appear in such a way that they will be issued from the trusted authority. Secondly, we can say that without lawful authority or dishonesty or fraudulently, the cancellation of otherwise alters the document in any material part of the thereof, alters it happen be made to execute either by himself or to other person, whether the such person living or dead at a time of such alternation. Third dishonesty is related to the any person to sign, seal, execute, alter the document knowing that such person by reason unsoundness of mind or intoxication cannot that by the person deception practice upon him. So this is the third dishonesty. Then we go to the section 449, which is related to the defamation. So defamation is the, we can say that, false communication or false statement. So defamation is a communication of a false statement that harms the reputation of an individual, business, product or community, group, religion or government or country. That is called as a defamation. The reputation can be harmed, injured to using words, oral or written, in terms of or by sign or other by visible representation. With wide use of internet, the new medium of defamation has emerged, such as on Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp or Instagram. The cyber defamation is made punishing defamatory material using computer on internet. It includes the defamatory statement about someone on platform like social media networking and forums on another electronic channels where the people can most contain. Sending the emails, defamatory material, other intention to defame the other person, almost amount of cyber defamation. The law of defamation under section 449 got extended for the speech and document in electronics form with the enhancement in IT Act 2000. The offences which is related to defamation is punishable under section 500 of Indian Penal Code with imprisonment up to 2 years or maybe some fine or both. So what are the different IPC sections which is to be seen here? So this gives the various IPC sections which will be helpful to protect the victim or to justify the victim or when cybercrime is happen with him or her. So for example, section 299, 292 sells the product or opens his book, etc. 463, a forgery and mail scooping and finishing. It is a crime against IPC section 463. Making false documents, 464. Forgery purpose for harming reputation, it is also crime under 469. Defamation by email or other electronic means, it is also crime, 499. So this tabular table will give the explanation of various IPC and what type of crime will be happen, then which type of IPC section is very important. So in this lecture we are going to explain the concept of criminal aspect in cyber law. So we can stop here. Thank you.